Winter doesn't have to mean the end of gardening. Did you know that some vegetables not only survive but thrive in cold temperatures? Today, we'll explore the best cold-hardy vegetables for your winter garden and how to grow them successfully. Winter gardening has its perks. It extends your growing season, provides fresh produce year-round, and avoids pests and diseases that are common in warmer months. Let's dive into our top picks for winter gardening. Kale. Extremely cold-tolerant, tastes sweeter after frost. Spinach. Thrives in cool weather and grows quickly. Carrots. Sweeten with frost. Harvest even when the ground is cold. Brussels sprouts. Ideal for frost-kissed harvests, improves flavor. Swiss chard. Handles light frost and adds vibrant colors to your garden. Leeks. Cold-hardy and perfect for soups and stews. Garlic. Plant in fall. It grows throughout winter. Beets. Grows well in cool conditions. Roots and greens are edible. Growing vegetables in winter requires a bit of preparation. Use raised beds or containers for better drainage. Apply a thick layer of mulch to protect roots. And consider row covers or cold frames for extra protection during extreme cold. Start by selecting seeds or seedlings labeled as cold-hardy. Prep your garden beds in advance and plant according to your local frost dates. For beginners, kale, spinach, and garlic are the easiest to grow. Winter gardening is easier than you think, and so rewarding. With these cold-hardy vegetables, you'll enjoy fresh homegrown produce even in the chilliest months. Which of these vegetables are you excited to grow? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. See you next time.